This is love at first bite over here. Love at first bite. Hi honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neema. If you're new to this channel, join the gang, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. Today we're going to be baking cookies, chocolate chip cookies, and I have been waiting for really long so that I can be able to shoot this video, but finally I was able to get some dark chocolate and I want to do that today. So I'm starting with melted butter, which is now inside my bowl. Just to go through the ingredients real quick, I have some melted butter over here. This is 250 grams. I have 1 egg, and I have some all-purpose plain flour, that's 1.5 cups, some salt, some brown sugar but I'm using sugar molasses as brown sugar. I have white sugar and I have my chocolate right here. So into this I'm going to add 1/2 cup of my white sugar. This is my 1/2 cup measurement, and then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of my molasses. You know why we're adding molasses? Because we want that chewy middle and a crispy top. So if you want that, that's why you use the combination of 2 sugars. And I'm just going to mix that together. Almost like creaming, but not like in cakes. Just creaming lightly. Salt, so important. You need a nice helping of salt, a nice pinch. A pinch is just the way unachotanga to chumvi, like with your thumbs. So you can use that. Salt really goes a long way in sweet desserts and cakes, to be able to like bring out the other flavors. I had to confirm that I'm still filming, because these things happen. You think you're filming, kumbe you're not even filming. And then I'm going to add in my egg. And then continue. So now I'm going to just add my vanilla essence into here. Just like 1 tablespoon. So that's what I'm eyeballing right there, so you don't have that eggy taste. This is the consistency that you're looking for. Like so, like caramel. It should start looking like caramel. So I'm now going to add in my flour. So for chocolate, I am going to be using dark milk chocolate from Dairyland. I talked about these chocolates in my other video, and I have a smaller one over here which I'm also going to use because I want them to be extra chocolatey, extra nice. my dough is ready. I'm just going to get my pan where I'm going to be baking this in the oven. Going to bake it for 12 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees. So let's do that. What I normally do is I just take a little bit of flour and take my baking pan, the one that comes with the oven, and I just spread it. I pick a spoon, a small spoon, and then I roll the dough quickly before it starts melting in my hands. So now my cookies are all ready to go into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. I just look at them. If I see that the sides are already becoming golden and crispy and nice, I pull them out. Within 12 to 15 minutes, that's when you should expect that to happen. So let's do that. My cookies are all done. They're looking amazing, and I just want to show you how they look. So this is an example, and I'm just going to, it's so nice in the middle. It's still soft and ooey. This is love at first bite over here. Love at first bite. You better make some because this is amazing. What would be perfect is a glass of milk with this. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do right after this video. So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.